Okay, guys, this is my private server, so I can open the chat if I want to, because there's no one to chat to, you see? So, today I am going to be rolling until I get a mythical. Well, legendary, I mean. I played too much Block Fruits, so I accidentally call them mythicals sometime. Nothing good that roll. Good that roll. Good. No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! I just rolled this. I refuse to believe. No! How? Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna roll one more time. Or maybe a tiny bit more. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna spend my last bit of money on these rolls. I saw the dog food. Okay. Goodbye, guys.